Hello, friend.
Good evening, my dear friend.
Where is Rome?
It is a country in Europe. It is thousands of miles from here.
Oh, yes, you are correct. I never observed that. Could you teach me more about Roman numerals?
Sure, I will tell you the story about how the Pandavas learnt about the Roman numerals. But this time, it was not Guruji who taught the princess.
Then who was it?
Guruji had a lot of friends from all over the world. There were also scholars like him, and they used to visit Guruji at the Gurukul. Some of them even took classes for his students at Guruji's request. One day, a man dressed in a strange attire visited the Gurukul. Nobody had seen anyone dressed like that. Some thought it was strange, while some thought it was funny.
Who was that? Why was he dressed like that?
He was Guru Drona's friend, who was a merchant and traveled distant countries across the seas to do business. He was a scholar in foreign languages.
What was the merchant's name?
I do not remember his name, but for now, let us call him the merchant. I shall tell you his name when I remember it. The merchant was back from a business trip to Rome. He had come to meet Guru Drona and pay his respects. While he was staying there, Guruji requested the merchant to take a few classes on Roman numerals, as he was an expert in foreign languages. Today we shall learn how to write Roman numerals.
Salve, children. How are you?
The princes did not know what the word salve meant, but they guessed it was a way of saying hello.
Respected sir, what does salve mean?
Salve means hello in Roman.
Where is Roman?
It is Rome, children, and the people from Rome are called Romans. It is a place far away from here and takes 18 months to travel to Rome.
If it is so far, then what is the need for us to learn Roman?
Like our kingdom, Rome is very prosperous and highly civilized kingdom. We are not going to learn the Roman language, but only about Roman numerals.
What are Roman numerals?
Like we have our number systems, Romans have their own form of number systems. We believe that in future they will be equally popular and used everywhere like our number system. Children, the numbers 1, 2, 3 that we use are called as Hindu-Arabic numerals. Romans used Roman numerals and it represented in a different way. Romans use straight lines to represent them, and 0 does not exist in the Roman number system. There are 7 basic symbols in the Roman number system. They are I, V, X, L, C, D, M, 4, 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, and 1000 respectively. There are some rules to be followed while using Roman numerals. They are: Rule 1. The symbol I is used for 1, 2, 3, but we cannot repeat 1 more than 3 times. Rule 2. When a smaller number comes before a bigger number, the value of the smaller number is subtracted from the value of the bigger number. For example, Roman numeral IX gives the value 9. As we know, value of x is 10 and value of I is 1. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Rule 3. When a bigger number comes after a smaller number, the value of the smaller number is added to the value of the bigger number. For example, Roman numeral XII gives the value 12. As we know, value of x is 10 and the value of I is 1. So 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 12. Rule 4. Only I, X, C can be repeated. They cannot be repeated more than 3 times. For example, XX represents 20, VII represents 7, CC represents 200. Rule 5. V is never subtracted and I can be subtracted from V and X only. For example, XV gives 10 plus 5 equal to 15. IV gives 5 minus 1 equal to 4. And IX gives 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Duryodhan, can you write the Roman numeral for 16?
16 can be written as 10 plus 5 plus 1. So, it is 10 and 6.
Sahadeva, can you write the Roman numeral for 35?
35 can be written as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. So, it is 10, 10, 10, 5.
Dushasan, can you write the Roman numeral for 49?
49 can be written as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. So, it is 10, 10, 10, 10, 9.
No, X cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So 49 should be written as 50 minus 1. So that the Roman numeral for 49 is IL. Hope you understood today's lessons. Now it's time to revise the concepts, what you have learnt.
This is how the princess learnt about how to write Roman numerals.